After Hours Bellwether Expedia Inc. What I would like to show is that the earnings report that really came out when you learn a little bit more about this one, Expedia misses and they beat on the revs. And what I would like to point out to people is that they've executed well in the past, as they have. However, Expedia misses by 2 cents and they beat on the revs. Gross bookings increased 19%, 20% excluding foreign exchange for Q4. Preliminary driven by a 33% increase in hotel room nights and a 12% increase in air tickets. Via Travel Acquisition added a 4 percentage points to year-over-year gross bookings growth for the first quarter of 2012. Okay, now for Q4, average daily room rates declined 3%, and average airfares grew 2% year-over-year. Air tickets sold grew by 12% year-over-year, primarily due to the travel acquisition that they had made. So I don't give this an AA plus, but one of the other things that I would like to show is how Priceline closed at 691, and based on this gap here, because they're both in the same industry, their gap in Priceline up in sympathy with it so people can see it clearly here in the Trader Network. I will conclude the fact that we hit up here at $71. The low was right here at slightly $64.75, 80 cents, somewhere there. So we closed it at 67. They drop it down $2.50, a little more. We pop it right up there and we pop it right back up here. Based on that earnings report and what their guidance is forward looking is that any movements up here, like on big gaps on Priceline, we'll look at how to trade that tomorrow, shorting the opening gap on it. It's in sympathy of this report that missed their earnings by 2 cents a share. You never fight the tape, but we'll take a look at how to short this name tomorrow on the intraday highs, whatever those highs end up being. But this is the after hours report on Expedia.